I am speaking to you right now. Yes, you. In the quiet place where your thoughts are loud. In the moment where no one else sees the weight you carry. In the place where you've been asking, God, are you still there? I am here. I've always been here. Even in the moments you felt abandoned. Even in the nights you cried without words. Even when your faith felt weak and your heart felt tired. I never left you. Listen closely. I am speaking hope into your life. Not temporary hope. Not fragile hope. But unshakable, unbreakable, eternal hope. The kind of hope that stands when everything else falls. You have been looking at your situation, and it feels overwhelming. You've been measuring your future based on what you see right now. And what you see doesn't look promising. But I do not work according to what you see. I move beyond your vision. I operate beyond your understanding. I write stories that human logic cannot explain. What looks like the end to you is only the beginning with me. What feels delayed is being prepared. What seems broken is being rebuilt. You are not stuck. You are not forgotten. You are not too late. I am the God who restores time. I am the God who rebuilds what was destroyed. I am the God who brings life into dead places. So why are you losing hope? Have I ever failed you? Even in the moments you thought I did not answer, I was working behind the scenes. Even when you thought doors were closing against you, I was protecting you from what was not meant for you. You don't see the full picture, but I do. And my plans for you are still good. I know you've been tired of waiting, tired of trying, tired of believing for something that hasn't happened yet. But hear me clearly. Do not give up now. You are closer than you think. The breakthrough you've been praying for, the peace you've been searching for, the direction you've been asking for, it is not far from you. I am already moving. Even when it feels silent, I am working. Even when it feels slow, I am aligning things. Even when it feels impossible, I am making a way. I am placing the right people in your path. I am opening doors no one can shut. I am removing what no longer belongs in your life. And I am strengthening you for what is coming. You have been through battles that should have broken you, but you're still here. That is not an accident. That is my hand on your life. I carried you when you didn't have strength. I held you together when you felt like falling apart. And I am not done with you. Your story is not over. There is more ahead of you. More peace, more purpose, more joy, more clarity. But you must trust me. Not just when it's easy, but when it's hard. Not just when you understand, but when you don't. Trust me in the waiting. Trust me in the silence. Trust me in the process. Because I am leading you somewhere greater than you can imagine. I am building something inside you that success alone could never create. I am shaping your character. I am deepening your faith. I am preparing you for blessings that require strength, wisdom, and endurance. If I gave it to you too early, it would crush you. But I love you too much to let that happen. So I am preparing you first. You may feel like you're in a season of nothing, but this is not nothing. This is preparation. This is growth. This is transformation. And when the time is right, everything will come together in a way that only I can orchestrate. You will look back and realize every delay had a purpose. Every pain had a reason. Every closed door was protection. Every tear watered something beautiful. So lift your head. You are not defeated. You are being refined. You are not lost. You are being led. You are not alone. I am with you. Right now, in this moment. Take a deep breath. Release the fear. Release the doubt. Release the pressure to have everything figured out. You don't need to know everything. You just need to trust me. One step at a time. I will guide you. I will provide for you. I will strengthen you. And I will never leave you. Hope is not gone from your life. Hope is alive, because I am alive in you. So stand up again. Believe again. Pray again. Dream again. Because what I started in your life, I will finish. And what I promised, I will fulfill. Now, listen carefully. This is your moment to respond. If this message spoke to your heart, don't ignore it. Type Amen in the comments as a declaration of faith. Share this message with someone who needs hope today. And subscribe to Ministry of Hope Official so you don't miss the next word I have for you. I am not finished speaking. And your story is not finished being written. Trust me, I am bringing hope into your life.